Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill it. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Leo, what's going on? Under the deck, Two of Cups, Knight of Swords, and Nine of Wands. I think this love is mutual. Maybe for some, a new person is entering into your life. Maybe that person could be your soulmate. Here, two cases. One person could be a past person. For some, there are two person. One could be past and one could be new. But someone is entering in your life, and but you are guarded up right now, Leo. You are protecting yourself. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Page of Swords, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Wands. There was passion between you and your person. Love is there. For some children's also involved in this connection. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person. One person is stalking other person on social media. Maybe for some there are issues, but still there is attraction between you and your person. Passion is there. Maybe you started doing loving yourself, doing self love. Then present King of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and 8 of Pentacles. I think you are tied, Leo, putting a lot of effort in this connection. You are emotionally drained totally. 10 of Swords energy. Then you decided to put your energy on your work, especially on your abundance, creating money, stability in money, finances, and career. Because King of Pentacles with 8 of Pentacles, your total focus is about money. Yes, because in relationship wise you're totally drained and very tight. You are very tight. Then future Six of Pentacles, death with Five of Pentacles. In this relationship there is no equal give and take, Leo. This is one type of ending between you and your person because they treated you as an option. Five of Pentacles energy is here. Cold shouldering, no equal give and take. This is on and off connection. They are not offering stability or they are not going to marry because there is no commitment. Then there is no point to continue. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Scorpio especially. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, the Wheel, Sun, the Wheel, and Three of Wands. Yeah, they are in waiting mode. Definitely they're waiting for right time or divine timing. Children's also involved in this connection. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And the Sun card is here. So maybe they're realizing you both. So let's see their current feelings. Then we will get more clarity. Five of Wands. Two of Wands. Lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Seven of Wands, and the Moon. and Page of Wands. Communication. So they want to text you or message you. Yeah, they may be realizing your worth. They won't give up on you. They can't let you go easily. Seven of Wands. Yes, there is a lot of drama going between you and your person right now, Leo. But they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe your person have options, but they are going to be choose you because Knight of Pentacles is here. Yeah, they are in slow moving energy, but this time maybe they're realizing your worth. So let's see their intentions. But they are thinking about you a lot. You are on their mind 24/7. The Star, King of Pentacles, and Five of Swords, with Eight of Cups and Knight of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. So they want to leave behind everything that is negative things or disturbances or fightings between both of you. They want to come back to you. Knight of Wands if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to offer stability because King of Pentacles is here. And yeah, maybe right now they're waiting for divine timing because Seven of Pentacles is also here. They are waiting for something or someone. So the Star with King of Pentacles, yeah, they still have hopes on this connection, and the person involved in this connection could be Aquarius. So they want to offer stability or marriage, but before, definitely there are some issues you both have to resolve. Five of Swords energy, they did something hurt to you, so they want to resolve all those things, and they really want to commit to you because King of Pentacles with the Star card. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome, Leo. But your focus is totally on your abundance, creating more money. Yes. So right now your person may be undergoing some transformation, awakening about this relationship. And Knight of Wands energy, they're very attracted to you, Leo. Lot of passion. And Seven of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles and Two of Swords. So yes, definitely the Seven of Pentacles under the deck. They are in waiting mode. But future, definitely they will make a move towards you because Knight of Wands came twice in this reading. For some, it may be late because right now they are undergoing some transformation. That's why. But they are gonna make a move. Yeah, you also heartbroken without this person. And King of Cups. Sorry, Nine of Cups. I don't read reverse cards. So yeah, you are wishing for this connection. Maybe it is not happening right now. Under the deck, the Fool. You also want new beginnings with this person. For some, you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. Yeah, you're still confused. So let's see mutual. Chariot and Two of Wands. Yeah, it is slow moving energy. I think it is moving because Chariot in straight is slow moving, but reverse. Definitely there is some movement in near future. So your person will make action very soon and they are thinking about you a lot. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot because these are mutual. So you both want movement in this connection if you are in separation. So they are gonna make action very soon. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. And you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or state. I have too much going on my life. I can't let you go. Soulmates. Healing. I want you back. So the messages are, I have too much going on my life. I can't let you go. Soulmates. I want you back. Healing. Marriage. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck, guys. luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. So luck is on your side and your commitment is being tested. So if you are doing hard work honestly, so your commitment is being tested, then don't worry, because you do honestly, you are doing honestly, then there is no worry, then is no need to worry, and luck is on your side. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.